Which is actually soon.
Cardboard. Charity bins. Oh, there's charity bins. Okay, we should have brought the box for charity. So this is the recycling area, the tip we call it here. So, yep, you just have to do it yourself. So at home, there's the garbage bin, the recycling bin, but the bigger things, you should do it yourself and bring it here and put it in the designated bay. There's the scrap metal, the cardboards, batteries. See that? Yep. Hi, I wish in the Philippines we are like this. Ay, nako. Okay. And these are the recycles. Or not really recycles or recyclables, but some things that can't be recycled, we have to put it here as well. The what is that? Landfill waste. So, yep, things that can't be recycled, but you just have to segregate. There, look at that. What is that? Home composting. Fresh material, partly rotted, compost, stick and sand. So that's how it works. You can do your own composting as well at home if you are planting your veggies. You have your own veggie patch. You can do that. Yep. Ganun dito. Why is it so high? So, is that a recyclable?
General waste.
General waste. Okay, yan, mga luggage. Kung ano-ano pa. Ito pa, yan. So, general waste. Things that can't be recycled. Put it back in the car. You can't recycle that luggage in these plastic. Okay, they have to decide. Decide. Ayun. Thank you for recycling. So yan, like what I'm saying, green mga plants then can be thrown here, lalo na kung maramihan. Although, sa bahay, in your house, there are 3 bins. Red, green, and yellow bin. So, yellow bin, sorry. So, yellow bin is for the recyclables. And then, the red bin is for the general waste. So, usually, it's the yung mga pang everyday na pagkain, usually it's food, ganyan. And then third, yung green bin, yun din yung mga plants din, no? But kung maramihan nga, kunyari nag-gardening ka at ang dami mong pinutol, ayan, dyan ang punta niyan, doon. Okay?